come to the stadium, make this fantastic environment as you make today. For sure, the next match at home, the players gonna have the same attitude. Selamat malam. First, I want to say Terima Kasih for our supporters that come to the stadium. Was a fantastic environment, and if you support like this, for sure, you're gonna give extra energy for our boys inside of the pitch. Was a fantastic support. And also I want to wish to make a good trip to return to your home. Safe trip. About the game, I think we start well the match, pressing high with many situations that sometimes we cannot shoot because the ball hit on the defender, sometimes not so good accuracy, sometimes the last pass not so good, but the attitude of the players was good. I like it. The first 25 minutes, I think we have a good attitude. After many stops for fouls, ball go out, many corners that we have, was important that we scored on the first half. Was a good. We have more chances, but unfortunately we just scored one on the first half. Second half, some players from our side get yellow card, others are physical not so good, so we need to make some changes. There are some minutes that we are not good without ball, we are not good position, but after we rectify the position, we create opportunities, and we score the second goal, and we can score the third goal. I remember 1-2 opportunities from Padang side, maybe 6-7 from our side at least. I think was a positive game, but I want to repeat. This extra energy that our supporters give to our boys, it's responsibility from our supporters. Come to the stadium, make this fantastic environment as you make today. For sure, the next match at home, the players gonna have the same attitude. So, Terima Kasih for our supporters.
Selamat malam. Today was a good game for us. We start pressing the Padang team good. So, every chance we have in the first half, we need to score. Because after they try to change, they put on the number 7 to make the construction of the game. So they make some exchange in the middle and make difficult for us. But we can press them today, and this help us and to get the 3 points. And I want to say for the supporters, thank you for coming. We know today was in the middle of the week. It's difficult for everybody to come, but thank you for the supporters in this game. It did help too much us today.
Pertahanan cepat diserang di press sama pemain Padang, dan ada pergantian lebih awal di awal babak kedua itu penyerangan kalau tidak ditarik. Apa ini memang coach melihat ini diserang harus diperbaiki di babak kedua atau gimana?
No, is 1 hour. It's 1 hour, and for me the first defender must be the striker. With the ball he's helping, but without the ball he's not close the space. And Padang change on the second time, put 3 men, invert the triangle, so they have the ball on the middle, easy. Nermin was pressing, but Balotelli already tired, not help to defend, and not close the line of pass. So we put Latir, and we remove Lacinari because get yellow card, and also we remove Vitor because he was sick, not make all the trainings on the week, and also he was weak, not help defensive transition. These was the reasons that we make the changes. But there is not a rule that say one player A, B or C need to play 90 minutes. If we see that they are not help the team, that other player can help, we need to change, because this is not individual game. This is a teammate game. This is a team game. So this is why the reason. But I'm happy with the performance of him, especially on the first half, because he fight.
Sekarang sudah di posisi keempat. Ini untuk langkah ke depan untuk menghadapi Borneo. Siapa ini?
Not look to the table. Our focus first is recover the players. Now we have many players that cannot help us against Borneo. Some of them get yellow card, others they are injured. As you know, we have many local players that are injured since the beginning of the season. But this is our squad. This is why we have more than 11 players. So now the focus is not to look to the league table. It's to recover the players, start to work and make a plan with the players that are better conditions to approach the next match that is against Borneo. That is a strong team. And we know the history of Borneo against PC Makassar is very difficult to win away on Samarinda.